Here's how you can get more inventory slots on Roblox Mobile in 2025 so that you can carry more items for your avatar. First, go ahead and open your Roblox Mobile application, log into your account, and then see how many slots you have. For that, you need to go to your inventory, tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on inventory that is below the continue playing option. This will take you to your inventory page. Here you can see the number of the slots you currently have. If you want more, you need to go ahead and get the Roblox Premium, as free accounts have limited inventory slots. So subscribe to the Premium Roblox to get more slots, and Premium members get more slots automatically depending on their subscription level. Some items in the Roblox catalog or special events let you use or get more inventory space. So look for special bundles or in-game purchases that give you more slots for a limited time. And delete or trade items that you don't use to make room. Sort your items into the categories like hats, gear, and accessories. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.